In today's video, we're going to look at the Ace of Wands. And just like the other aces, this is the universe handing you a new tool. In this case, one of the original rituals that I was going to video was going for a walk in the woods and finding a good stick. All of us who have either hiked with children or hiked as children remember the finding of a good stick. That's the Ace of Wands right there. Instead of going through the woods, what I'm doing here is digging out all my hiking poles. I'm about to go on a vacation that will include some hiking, and so I wanted to make sure to have these in the truck when we leave. So my hiking poles this time are my Ace of Wands. Let me know what kind of stick you find. This could be as easy as looking for a pencil in your desk, but I definitely appreciate the idea of seeking out this wand that the universe is going to offer us.